चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू, चंदा है तू। बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको, बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुमको, जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की।
लाया है बहार, अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना। खिल खिल चेहरे से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
खिल खिल चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
ऐ दिल लाया है बहार, अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना।
Happy birthday to you, Gopal.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए। तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे गोपली।
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाचू। हैप्पी बर्थडे गोपाल।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर साला साहब। सबको एक दूसरे को हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलते हैं और हम लोग का रिश्ता ऐसा है कि हम लोग को सेम टू यू बोलना पड़ता है क्योंकि दोनों का जन्म तारीख एक ही है। तो खूब खुशी मनाइए और खूब खुशी से रहिए।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी। थैंक यू हमको इतना गाइड करने के लिए, थैंक यू मेरे मेंटोर बनने के लिए। आई होप आप हमको आगे भी गाइड करिएगा। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे। आप अपना हाफ सेंचुरी पूरा कर लिए फाइनली।
आगे भी करेंगे और सब बहुत सारा बर्थडे मनाइए, बहुत 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 सारा हैप्पीनेस, फुल ऑफ जॉय, एकदम धमाका किए रहिए लाइफ में। यही चाहते हैं, जैसे आप हैं, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी है एकदम धमाकेदार। से हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन।
Happy 50th birthday, Mama Ji. Thank you for always being there for us. Thank you for always having my back. You inspire me in ways that you probably don't even realize, and I'm very, very grateful for you. I hope this year returns you with all the love, laughter, and happiness that you have brought into our lives. And even more, I love you. Once again, a very, very happy birthday to you.
बोलो बोलो। यस, जोर से बोलो।
Happy to you. Happy to you. Happy to you. बोलो. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
खूब सारा मस्ती मारिए। एक पैक दारू हम बना रहे हैं अभी, आपका कल है, बट चीयर्स। हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे जिया जी, हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे। वी विश यू अ वेरी वेरी वेरी, वी नहीं हम ही हैं, सो आई विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, हेल्दी लाइफ, कीप स्माइलिंग, बी हैप्पी, बाय बाय, मिस यू।
रजनी भाई, अक्सर मेरे दिल में ये ख्याल आता है कि तू चांद भी है और तारा भी, तू जमी भी है और आसमान भी, तू आस भी है और सहारा भी। गोपाल, तेरी मुस्कुराहट भी है गोपाल जैसी, और वैसा ही है चित भी तेरा। अदाकारों वाली शख्सियत तेरी, और बुलंदगी वीर योद्धा वाली। गोपाल, you are a harbinger of happiness. Nobody can remain unhappy when Gopal is around. You can even make a grumpy, rainy British day look cheerful. Rajni, you are the sun which make many moon around you shine in your light. You have that Superman spirit which makes you convert all adversity into opportunity. You are a self-made person, and now you are the reason for smile of hundreds of family whose karta you have taken under your wings in one of your company. You remain for all of us a lighthouse for stormy weather, the rock of Gibraltar, guarding the entire family against the ferociousness of the storm which this life throws upon us. May you remain what you are, for we are all so immensely, hopelessly, and irrevocably in love with what you are. May God bless you on this momentous occasion of completing 50 years on this Mother Earth and making this earth a better place to be. A very warm, happening happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday गोपाल जी।
हैप्पी मौसा जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मौसा जी,
50th birthday.
50th बर्थडे मौसा जी।
सुबह 9 बजे।
Is there something special today? You look so good.
दोपहर 12:30 बजे।
Give you quick updates. I think all projects are going good so far. So we had a couple of interviews last week. So that's about it. Probably you kind of settle down. We'll have discussion later. Okay. All right then. See you. By the way, I forgot to inform that very important thing. So we have meeting at 5. So we'll talk about it. All right.
दोपहर 2:45 बजे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू गोपाल जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। खूब खुश रहिए, खूब खुश रहिए।
Happy 50th birthday to my amazing Jiju. So while I was studying away, I remember you were guiding me like a true mentor. And of course, I didn't forget the pranks you used to tell me. I know your exact location. I know exactly where you are. But that definitely kept me on my toes. Well, about you, Jiju, you are definitely a self-made man, very hardworking, determined, and you're a true inspiration for everyone around you.
Happy birthday, Mausaji. You may be strict, but you always cared for me. The punishments you gave me were important lessons. Your guidance, your gifts meant a lot to me, and you truly inspired me to become a better person. Thank you, Mausaji, and happy birthday, Mausaji.
Happy birthday, Master Ji.
Happy birthday, Jiju.
Hey Gopal, 50s now, yeah? What an incredible journey it has been. You are a great guy, and I know you're kind and warm. I wish you, all the best for the next 50s which is yet to come. Okay, this is just the beginning for you. I wish you many, many happy returns of the day, and God bless you. Cheers.
Hey Gopi, happy birthday, happy 50. Yeah, it's so long. Haven't met you for 25 some years now, but I still remember, the wonderful days we had in college, and then after the college, looking for job together. I always admired your talent, your intelligence. Yeah, man, just amazing. Hope you're keeping that enthusiasm alive still. You're still equally intelligent. I'm sure you are. Hope to see you sometime soon. I really, really miss being in those days, walking around after the campus, searching for job in Bangalore, some of the funs we had together, some of the downs that we had together, not getting the job, trying to survive at the same time. I was very happy when you got a job, Honeywell, the best day of my time back then. Really, man, I'm very happy. I'm proud of you, what you are, what you have achieved. Really. Burbak, hope you're still keeping the same lively enthusiasm. Talk to you soon, buddy.
Happy birthday, भैया. For me, you are more than family or a brother. You always stood by me. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ, most of the credit goes to you. Wish you wonderful year ahead. Once again, happy birthday, भैया.
Happy birthday, भैया.
Hey Gopi, happy birthday bro. 50. Wow. Our journey started in Shumaka. Those early mornings in the college canteen, late nights. Just figure it out, man. I really enjoyed those days. And then later in Bangalore, figuring things out, figuring life out, job hunting. And later in US, remember? Or Vegas too? We have done it all together. Happy birthday, buddy. I just wanted to say your next 50 years will be full of joy and happiness. Happy birthday again. I wish I will meet again. Go and enjoy now.
गोपी मेरे भाई, here's wishing you a very, very happy, joyful, blessed 50th birthday. I still can't imagine you as somebody who's 50. You are still a child. The way you carry out yourself is just like a child, and I see that as a great quality. Please don't change. You bring so much joy when people are around you. You are somebody who is a very colorful, very loud, vibrant personality, and that's what we love about you. I remember you, we know each other for, 30 plus years. I remember you from those days so closely. I took this printout this morning just to show others also how you were and how I remember you from those days. A very lean, patla, dubla gopi, but at that time also very loud, very colorful. कितने कांड किए हैं साथ में, कितने क्लासेस बंक किए थे, सुबह सुबह कैंटीन में बैठते थे. You, me, Vatsa, Gopi, how we spent so much time, so many good days, good moments. How I reached out to you at the last moment before any exam asking for support. I was never somebody who was as studious as you, but you were always there. You were for me, for maths, you were my last course of action to help me pass. And you were always bright, brilliant. You were somebody who always stood out. In class, we always used to have one Intli group, the people who always, we knew were the toppers, but were properly focused into academics, and there was the backbenchers. What brought you as somebody special is you were still a backbencher, but you were still super intelligent, always scoring 100. I remember telling my parents 30 plus years back about you and how you were so bright in maths, and that has not changed. Your genes has flowed down to Idant. But buddy, you are an inspiration. You will always be. The Gopi I know 30 plus years back and the Gopi today, in terms of character, hasn't changed, loud, vibrant, but in terms of personality, how you have transformed yourself as a professional, as a leader, and for me that is a big inspiration. Continue doing the good work, not only professionally but also as a human being. There are so many cases of in the past years. I don't know if everybody even know how you have gone out of your way to help people, help relatives, help people in needy. Whenever you see somebody in need, yes, you are there to reach out and support. So that for me is amazing, and please continue with that. I am blessed. We are blessed as family to have you in our lives. You are the closest we have. We will continue to have. You are family to me, to my parents, to my brother, and I wish you all the very best. Continue being who you are, and wish you all the best, my friend. God bless you, and I love you.
Good evening, everyone. Today, we are gonna celebrate a very big milestone. Mausaji is turning 50.
Yes, 50, which means Jiju is now officially half a century old.
But don't worry, Mausaji, you're not that old.
You are just limited edition.
Exactly, just like a classic vintage model.
Very valuable and very respected.
And a little slow to start in the mornings.
Also gives the best life advice.
Of course, after 50 years of research and experiments on life.
Which basically means
he has already made all the mistakes before us.
So thank you, Jiju,
for testing life first and saving the rest of us.
Happy 50th
birthday, Mausaji.
5 रुपए की पेप्सी, जीजा जी सेक्सी. Happy birthday, Jia ji.
Many happy returns of the day, Jia ji.
Jiju, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Let me tell you one thing. You are the most fun and cheerful person in our family. At the same time, you guide us with such a wisdom and care. Just like father figure. Always giving right advice and showing the right path. It's not only your birthday. It's 50th birthday, Jiju. So 2 लाइनें तो बनती हैं. 50 year young, still full of fun. Jiju, our star, the number 1. With jokes and laughter everywhere you go, you make our family happiness grow. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Jiju. Happy 50th birthday, Jiju.
Happy 50th birthday, Jiju. Age is just a number सुना था, but अब देख भी लिया.
जैसे है मस्त है, ऐसे ही हंसते रहिए, हंसाते रहिए। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द गाइडेंस। जितना भी आपसे ज्ञान मिला है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जल्दी से इंडिया आइए, फिर पार्टी करेंगे मस्त वाला। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।